So what's up, guys? And it's Michael Donnelly and me and Michael Donnelly channel, and we'll be cooking some double digits marshmallows
And I'm
and
sitting
Shay.
drinking hot chocolate in the background and doing stuff like this.
And now we didn't even plan this at all. We didn't even plan this at all. Oh my god, the fire, and we've got a fire here. Can you go to the fire brigade?
Right, now be careful.
What? Hello?
It's not even on the fire.
Yes, it is. Oh. Yes, it is.
Now be careful.
You can put it where the flames
No,
are.
he's fine, it's okay, she just leave him.
That's it.
That's fine.
Oh. That was wet in my hand.
Right, now blow on it. Are they on fire?
No, they're not. They're fine. Okay, try again.
Right, try and get them on.
Turn them round the other way. That's it.
Oh.
Oh,
Then.
Right, is that them ready yet?
Oh.
Right, is that them done? Do you want me to stop the video?
Yeah, no, wait. You see your next video at night. Maybe. I don't know. But we'll see you next video. We'll see you next video.
Did you do it again?
We'll see you next
This is
video.
for 3 in a row, by the way.
Done in.
oh.
Alright, okay. Right, guys, we'll be here. No. don't worry about that. I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine, guys. Right, we're here, and we'll see you next video. And peace.